Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another edition of Adventure Athlete. Today I started thinking about, I'm getting ready to make a template for the winch. And basically what I have is my little helper here, is a piece of 35 thousandths template cardboard. And I took the outer dimensions of the winch, which is 11.5 by 6. And I went over here to the paper cutter and I laid all that out and cut that out. And what that did was gives me the outer dimensions of the winch. Then I take this over to the winch and I take a ball peen hammer. Watch out, buddy. And I've already done one hole, but you lay it out like this, and you take the ball peen and you basically kind of tap around and find the hole, and it'll tap around and it'll cut itself out. So when I'm done, I'll have a perfect template set up to transfer over to a sheet of steel. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll take once I'm done with that, is I'll come over here with these transfer punches and punch the center of the each hole, and then I'll drill it out on the drill press and go from there. So anyway, this was just a real quick video to share with you how I do a template and knock it out. If you have something that's better, or hit me up in the comments and let me know. I'd love to know how you guys are fabbing. If you like this thing, hit like and subscribe. And I'm Tim Roble. I thank you, each and every one of you, for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.